PHIESTINA is the best wine cooler fridge. Hi guys, welcome back to the Smart Homing YouTube channel. Cool the wine to the temperature of your choice using the device. It is the job of the wine cooler to adjust the temperature of the fridge. This fridge should not be removed from your kitchen. Place the beauty enhancement device in your kitchen in the right place. Enjoy the taste of wine and alcohol to the fullest. You can buy it anytime and anywhere. Enjoy organizing parties for your friends. PHIESTINA is the best wine cooler refrigerator. It can be a surprise for your family also. You can surprise your guests by arranging parties. You can be setting it anywhere. Use as freestanding in your office, garden, kitchen, field, bar, and club. The link of the product mentioned in the video is available in the description below. If you are free, then let's get started the video now. Number 5. The compressor. The compressor is an essential device of the refrigerator. It is useless without a compressor. The compressor operates the whole fridge. It assists to keep warm whole fridge, creating pressure on the hot part of the refrigerator circuit. As a result, the inside of the fridge cools down and the water condenses into ice. That is, the gas turns into liquid. So the compressor is called the heart of the fridge. It acts as a device that increases the pressure from gas to liquid. Number 4. The evaporator coils. The evaporator coil is an AC that absorbs heat from the air inside the fridge. It works with condenser coils to exchange heat and produce cold air. The inside of the fridge cools down and the water condenses into ice. This is part of the air conditioning. The heat from the inside is removed and the evaporator coil flows towards the cooler so that the air temperature drops and the fridge cools inside. Number 3. The expansion device. The expansion device is essential for the refrigerator. The cold of the refrigerant allows it to enter the vapor center. Valves can be referred to as monitoring devices. It controls the refrigerant flow. The function of the expansion valve is to decrease the pressure from the refrigerant and allow the liquid in the evaporator to evaporate. They do it in many ways. These valves fluctuate as the temperature changes. 2 expansion valves do this job. A. Thermostat expansion valve. B. Thermostatic expansion valve. Number 2. The condenser coils. The function of the condenser is to hold the refrigerant in liquid form. The condenser coil is made of copper. The compressor produces pressure on the gas, causing the gas to condense while in the liquid, and the refrigerant releases the retained heat at the same time. Another function of the condenser coil is to liquefy the thermal vapor. The another of a condenser is to convert heat from an incubator into air or water in a different process and to condense it into a liquid. Number 1. The French door. The function of the door is important for keeping the cooling of the fridge. There is no hot air can enter from outside through the airtight door. Some wine fridges have transparent glass doors through which drinks and foods stored in the refrigerator are visible from the outside. This system has 2 doors at the top and a drawer at the bottom. You can easily store drinks through the upper door, which will keep an eye on all your drinks. The cost of repairing a French door fridge is a bit higher than other refrigerators. I would like to hope that you like this video. I tried my best to deliver the authentic information regarding the products which are available in the market, so that you can collect the accurate product for your need. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment box below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.